Right on the screen is everything you need to know as a Shiba Inu holder when it comes to the price of Shiba Inu and where the price is going. And I'm going to tell you the way I see things based on my indicators, based on Lux Algo, based on what you and we've been talking about right now on the streams and in the videos, guys. No panic, just have cash on the side because that's going to allow you to profit the most by buying the dip. What is going on, Shiba Inu holders? The entire army is watching, about to have a triple bottom, basically. 0.00029. That was right there. Remember, we were in the live. We saw it was beautiful. Then, two here very quickly. Then finally one more earlier today, and it kind of looks like, guys, people are playing, right? They're selling Shiba Inu, they're buying Shiba Inu, they're trading Shiba Inu. How pretty it is, because if you're doing it in the 15 minutes, every time you see here in the Lux Algo, go to the reversal green, you buy, then you wait, literally just a couple hours later, then you sell, obviously when the price is high, and then you buy once again when it drops, and then you sell. And I'm going to tell you, from here, you profit 11%. Then from here, you profit 10%. Then from here, you profit about 7%. Like, it really works. Let me tell you the full story, everybody. And if you want, by all means, check the first link down below. Lux Algo is going to help you a lot, especially right now, as we are going to be touching this level. And guess what? My indicator is going to tell you get in with a position, because we're going to do a reversal. That's when you can sell it, and it's just going to pay everything what you invested in this program. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells, guys. We're just having a tremendous time with the crypto space, the crypto markets, because it allows us to just to be safe and sound and wise, right, with our positions. In the last 2 weeks, you and I, we've been in a journey of buying the dip. I just sold Taboo token. I invested like $200 on it, and then I just got out at 450. I made money. Which feels great, because that's the idea, right? I bought it cheap, I sold it high, I made a little bit of profit basically 2x. And now I can buy the Shiba Inu dip. And I've been doing that with my positions for a while. I just did it right here. It was 54%. So delicious. Right now, I'm down on Caspa, on LUNC, on TRX, on a little bit of Jasmy that I've been buying too, right? So these ones I just like to get in, right? On Shiba Inu, this was about 3,000% just 24 hours ago. We were in the live about 24 hours ago, and this was 3,000% when the price of Shiba Inu was right here, basically 13% higher. So, guys, what we're seeing on the screen, it is right here. It is just an opportunity, right, to dollar cost average and look at this as a great opportunity, even though it hurts. Because every time we go live and we listen to great people, there's always the I should sell, what's going on. No panic. This always happens, right? It has happened for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, let's go back a little bit from the 15 minutes. Why don't we go ahead and do 1 hour? You're going to see now that if you're into Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu good, in the last, let's go ahead and get, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times since the beginning of March. So this is just another day of buying the dip. Like I tell you, this is the 1 hour, and you see how it's harder now to get to the reversal zone. This one got it at basically 403. But if you come to the 30 minutes, you're going to see that we are touching it much easier, right? Because people are trading these super close candles and time frames, basically. As you see that it's now narrow how the price of Shiba Inu is moving, and nothing compared to the massive parabolic run that we had right here, which basically was all the bubble zone. But right now, we are still in this symmetrical wedge that if I could do this right now for a second, we're just squeezing and squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. And we've been talking about the Shiba Inu breaking point. I thought it was going to be this one much higher. But one of the reasons we're not going much higher is because our friend Bitcoin is deciding to drop. Ooh, look at that. Look at that right there. Let me go ahead and get a little bit smaller here. There you go. You see this? So crazy, right? So if I have some tokens that I know are cash cows, like Taboo token, or look, Miro, I could even sell Miro too to get even more money for more opportunities, which, you know what? I have $220. I'm up 19 bucks. Miro is honestly just a gamble cash cow for me. So I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it. Why? Because I don't care about Miro and it's just a moneymaker, right? Whatever happens is fine as long as I'm not losing money. Now I can go back and I have $600 ready to buy what I really want to hold, which is Shiba Inu, right? So if Shiba Inu keeps dropping for some reason, because you never know, guys, like at any time, this could drop massively, right? And it can come blooding on the streets. Then people get panic and they start paper handing selling. That's when I come in and eat. And I will have $600 to put in and just to invest and relax and enjoy and make some good money. So that's why I do buy into some tokens, right? Like Miro, Taboo. In this case, I have, what do I have? Caspa, some of them are not winners, but they will be eventually, right? And QNT, right? Will have. I mean, I'm up on this one, so I could also sell this one if I want. I could also sell Solana, which I have like $1,000, and they're in the profit, guys. So the idea is not to sell them when they are red; it's to sell. That's why I diversify, because I always have a little bit, where I can expand my big bags of Shiba Inu, XRP, Jasmy that I'm really worried about, which I know it is paramount for me to get as many as possible while I still have the time. All right. So highly recommend you take a look at the links down below, everybody. You want to talk to me, my Patreon. You want to join to the $1 core party group for free. If you want to join the HEA access for this type of crazy plays like call, which we've been talking about, and I bought here and I bought here, and I'm basically going back to profitability with this crazy meme coin on Cronos. Man, I'm so happy that we're making a lot of money, a lot of capital. And I'm so happy that I'm telling you what in the world is going on. People are cashing out. They're selling shit because they want to make money like I just did. I don't treat Shiba Inu as a cash cow. I treat Shiba Inu as a long term, but there's people that treat Shiba Inu as a cash cow. That's why they sell to buy other stuff. Welcome to crypto. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.